Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a subway station and on the train. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and a station worker. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why should you keep your ticket until the very end of your trip? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Okay, here we are. This is the ticket machine.
Great! So we need 2 tickets to Riverside, right?
Yes, let's find Riverside on the map first.
Here is the map. There are so many colored lines.
Blue, green, red, yellow. It looks like a big net.
I see Riverside. Look, it's down here by the river.
Perfect. Now, how much is the ticket?
Let me check. The screen says $2.50.
Okay, that's not too much. $2.50 each.
Wait, look at this sign. It says Metro.
Metro? Yes, that's this train, the one under the ground.
But in my city, we call it the subway.
Same thing. Subway, metro, the tube.
The tube? That's a funny name.
In London, they call it the tube. In New York, it's the subway.
And here, it's the metro. So many names for one train.
Right, but it's all the same idea, a train under the ground.
Good to know. Okay, let's buy the tickets now.
I'll press the button for Riverside. 2 tickets, please.
The screen has other buttons too. What are they for?
This one is for a day pass. You ride all day for one price.
All day? That's good if you take many trains.
Right, but today we just go one way to Riverside.
Then 2 single tickets are the best choice. Do you have coins or a card?
I have a card. Let me put it in here.
The machine is thinking. There, it's printing the tickets.
1 ticket for you, 1 for me. Take yours.
Thank you. Such a small paper ticket.
Small but very important. Don't throw it away.
I won't. I'll keep it right here in my pocket.
Good. Now let's find the way in.
Follow the blue line. Riverside is on the blue line first.
Blue line it is. Let's go.
Here are the gates. We tap our tickets to go in.
These little doors? How do they open?
You touch your ticket here, and the doors open for you.
Oh, I see the little yellow spot. Let me try.
Put your ticket flat on the spot.
Like this? Oh, the doors opened. That was easy.
Nice. Now walk through before they close.
Quick, quick. Okay, I'm through. Your turn.
Watch me. Tap and open. There we go.
We're both in now. That was simple. Wait, Sam, look at this sign here.
What does it say? It says, keep your ticket. You need it to get out.
To get out? But we just came in.
Yes, but in this city, you tap again when you leave.
Really? So the ticket works 2 times?
That's right. Once to go in, once to go out.
Why do they do it that way?
Because the price is for how far you go.
Oh, I understand. A long trip costs more than a short trip.
Yes. In some places, you pay one price for any trip.
But not here?
not here. Here, the machine counts your distance.
So a short ride is cheap and a long ride is more.
Exactly. So the gate needs to know where you started.
And where I stop. Clever.
In some cities, you only tap when you go in, but not here.
So here, keep the ticket to the very end.
Yes, don't lose it. We need it to get out at Riverside.
Got it. I'll put it right here, safe in my pocket.
Good. Don't lose it, okay? I mean it.
I won't lose it. Stop worrying.
I'm just saying, that little paper is our way out.
I hear you. Safe in my pocket. Let's go.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help us?
Of course. What do you need?
We want to go to Riverside. Which train do we take?
Riverside. Okay. First, take the blue line from here.
The blue line. Got it. And then?
Ride the blue line to Central Station.
Central Station. Is that far?
About 4 stops. At Central, you change trains.
Oh, we change trains, so we don't stay on one train?
No, at Central, you transfer to the green line.
Transfer means change to another train, right?
Yes, that's right. Transfer, change, same thing.
Okay, blue line to Central, then green line, then Riverside?
Almost. But listen, this part is important.
I'm listening.
There are 2 kinds of trains, fast ones and slow ones.
Fast and slow? What's the difference?
The fast train is the express. It skips small stops.
It skips stops, so it doesn't stop everywhere?
Right. The express only stops at big stations.
And the local one?
The local is the local train. It stops at every station.
So the express is faster, but it passes small stops.
Right. The express is good for long trips between big stations.
And the local is good when your stop is a little one.
You've got the idea. Riverside is a small stop.
So we want the local, not the express.
Exactly. The express will go right past Riverside.
Good thing you told me. We'll take the local train.
Take the local on the green line. It stops everywhere.
Thank you so much. Blue line, Central, green line, local.
You've got it. Oh, and one more thing.
Yes?
Don't lose your ticket. You top out at Riverside.
Yes, we heard. My friend has it in his pocket.
Good. Many people forget. Have a nice trip.
Thank you, sir. You've been very kind.
This is the platform, right? Where we wait for the train?
Yes, this is the platform. The train comes on this side.
There are yellow lines on the floor. What are they for?
You stand behind the yellow line. It's for safety.
Behind the line. Okay, I'll stay back here.
The board says the next train comes in 2 minutes.
2 minutes. That's fast. Not a long wait.
I can feel the wind now. The train is coming.
I hear it too. Here it comes into the station.
The doors are opening. Let's get on.
Wait, listen. What is that voice saying?
A voice says, "Mind the gap."
Mind the what? Mind the gap? What does that mean?
Look down between the train and the platform.
Oh, there's a little space there. A gap.
Yes, mind the gap means watch that space.
So I don't put my foot in the hole.
Right. Step over it, don't step in it.
That's a smart little warning.
It's famous. In London, the trains say, "Mind the gap."
Every train? Really?
Yes, it plays at almost every stop all day long.
So people hear it again and again.
Right. People love it. It's on cups and shirts, too.
A warning on a shirt? That's funny.
Come on, step over the gap. Big step.
Okay, big step. There, I'm on the train.
Me too. Grab that bar so you don't fall.
Good idea. The train is starting to move.
Now we're moving, off to Central Station.
I'm glad you knew about that gap.
Now you know too. Mind the gap always.
Mind the gap. I won't forget it.
Wow, the train is nice and clean inside.
It is. Let's check the map on the wall.
There's a map right above the door. Good.
We are here now. We go 1, 2, 3, 4 stops.
4 stops to Central. Then we change trains.
Right. Let's count the stops so we don't miss it.
Good plan. My feet are tired. I'll sit down here.
Wait, Sam, don't sit in that seat.
Why not? It's empty. No one is sitting here.
Look at the sign above the seat. What do you see?
There's a little picture. A person with a cane or a walking stick.
And another picture, a woman with a baby.
Oh, and an old person too. What are these seats?
Those are special seats. They're called priority seats.
Special? For who?
For people who need to sit more than us.
Like old people and people who can't stand well.
Yes, and women who are going to have a baby.
I understand now. I should stand up.
You don't have to, but if one of them comes, give the seat.
I'll stand. It feels better to keep it free.
That's kind of you. Look, the pictures are easy to read.
They are. No words, just pictures. Anyone can understand.
That's the idea. The same pictures are used all over the world.
So in any country, I'll know the priority seat?
Right. The pictures are the same even if the words change.
That's really helpful for a visitor like me.
It is. Just look for the little person with a cane.
Good. Let me hold this bar instead.
Here comes the next stop. 3 more to go.
3 more. I'm counting with you.
We make a good team.
Here's Central Station. This is where we change.
So many people. Look at this crowd.
It's rush hour. Everyone is going home from work.
Rush hour. That's why it's so busy.
Yes, in the morning and evening, the trains are packed.
Very full of people. I almost cannot walk.
Stay close to me. We need the green line now.
There's the sign. Green line. This way.
Good eyes. Let's follow it to the platform.
Okay, we're on the green line platform. Now we wait.
Look at the board. What does it say?
It says the next train is delayed. Delayed 5 minutes.
Delayed means it's late. It's not on time.
Late by 5 minutes. Is that bad?
It's not too bad. Sometimes trains run late at rush hour.
The board changes. Now this train says on time.
On time means it comes when it should, no delay.
So the board tells us if each train is late or not.
Right, it helps you plan. You know how long to wait.
That's smart. So one train is late, the other is on time.
Right, but remember, we need the local, not the express.
Oh yes, the express would skip Riverside.
Good, you remembered. Let's wait for the local.
This platform is really full. People everywhere.
Keep your bag in front of you in a crowd.
Good idea. I'll hold it close.
The local is coming now. It says local on the front.
I see it, and it stops at every station, right?
Right, so it will stop at Riverside for us.
How long until we get there?
Maybe 10 minutes, not long now.
Good. My feet want to sit, but I'll stand.
Almost there. Let's get on. Riverside, we made it. This is our stop.
Finally. I can see the river from the window.
Let's get off. Mind the gap again.
Big step. There. Off the train.
Now we follow the way out sign to leave.
This way. I can smell the fresh air already.
Here are the exit gates. Get your ticket ready.
Right. We tap out here. Let me get my ticket.
I have mine. Watch. I tap and the doors open.
You go through. Okay. My turn now.
Come on, Sam. Where's your ticket?
Hold on. It's in my pocket. Let me find it.
You did put it in your pocket, right?
I did, but it's not in this pocket.
Oh no. Check the other one.
Wait. Let me check my jacket.
Please tell me you didn't lose it.
Give me a second. This pocket, that pocket.
Sam, the gate won't open without it.
Got it. Here it is. It was in my back pocket.
You scared me. Tap it, quick.
Tap, and the door's open. I'm through.
See? That's why you keep your ticket to the very end.
Now I really understand. No ticket, no way out.
Right. The gate needs it to know how far you came.
The price is for the distance from the first stop to here.
Exactly. And if you go too far by mistake?
Then what? Do I get stuck?
No, there's a machine near the gate to pay the small extra cost.
A machine for that. Good to know.
You put your ticket in, it shows the extra cost, and you pay it.
So even if I ride too far, I can fix it right there.
Exactly. No problem. But we're fine. We paid the right price.
Great. So the ticket really matters from start to end.
It sure does. Welcome to Riverside.
Made it at last. Let's go see the river.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why should you keep your ticket until the very end of your trip? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English, with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.